All right, let's see those pearly whites. And a piranha's a fish, just like your present. Oh, no. Poor little guy. He's dead.
Don't me!
Must have left the present on the car, sweetie. I'll go and get it.
He's still alive!
What's happening? Why is he playing dead?
He's gonna get flushed down the toilet! He's gonna get out of here!
He's gonna get flushed.
What a smart little guy!
Oh, no, not the trash can.
Nemo, go! Hey, I found his dad!
Where's Nemo? Where is he? Dennis,
He's over there!
Dennis, what is that? Oh, Michael, get in there!
I can't go in there!
Oh, yes, you can!
What the? Tell your dad. I said, hurry. Don't worry. All Jane's late to